Today we're building an adjustable size epoxy mold. This allows us to create river boards of different sizes. The cross-cutting sled is for cutting the walls and base of the mold. The sled helps guide stock securely past the blade. Some final touches with the POWERTEC benchtop planer. The cross-cut sled makes easy work of the mold base. As we set the walls for the mold, we're using heavy-duty 10-inch F-style bar clamps to hold them in place before screwing them down. Again, we use 10-inch F-style clamps to secure the second wall as it's screwed to the base. Using a level spirit, you want to adjust the legs until you have a completely level mold. Tape helps prevent the mold from leaking when the epoxy is poured later. This mold is built with adjustable walls, allowing us to change the length and/or width of the project if needed. Here we can see the tracks and hold-down clamps on an adjusted size mold. With this, we can build trays and cutting boards of various sizes. We're using tracks and blocks to anchor our stock to the base. Without this, the stock will just float to the top of the epoxy. Epoxy measuring ratios depend on the project and the epoxy you're using. Check your epoxy supplier for more details. We added blue coloring to our epoxy, stirring for a swirling effect. 24 hours later, our epoxy project had cured and was ready for some final touches. Planing and sanding the piece down to remove excess epoxy and to get it down to its final height. Using multi-track brackets to secure the river board, we're spring clamping a template onto the board, routing out the shapes that'll hold drinks and snacks later. We're finishing this tray with a thin layer of wood wax oil. This snack tray makes a great first epoxy project. Good luck on your future projects.